Hello guys, namaste. Feel the heart. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful time. Christmas vibe, festive time, family time, and Langistan time. So I've got 6 big announcements to make. The very first announcement is Langistan BETA is live. Now everyone can access Hindi learning content on Langistan, which was not before, only limited access was there. Over 28 courses in Hindi are live with 1000 plus video lessons and over 3500 interactive exercise modules. So this is a huge and humongous library for you to learn. Everything took a lot of time, maybe in some another video. This is a little bit more personal and I need a lot of time, and today is a happy moment, so I will not go emotional. Second announcement, we have a very special Christmas course made for you to talk with your Hindi speaking friends about Christmas, to invite them or to talk on your Christmas Eve table. There are a lot of words, phrases and sentences prepared. Some exercise modules are there, so I want you to go and engage with them, learn and explore, and it's completely free. Everybody can go and access Christmas course, watch our videos, do exercises. Yeah, it's completely free and it's going to be always for free. So another information I have to give you is that we have started banner system. So for every time we do a big announcement or we have a course, you will have a banner running there. So it will give you an idea. It's a I would say a door for the new announcements for us and new updates to give you. Another language has been added on Langistan. Nepali is live with 3 courses. This is something very, very exciting. Now we have first the guide course, the second is 1 hour Nepali challenge, and the third is Christmas course in Nepali. So all these 3 courses in Nepali is completely free. Anybody who is interested to learn Nepali can start with these Langistan Nepali courses. It's absolutely free. Just go sign up. Links is in the description box. Another very big announcement. It's pre-commitment though. Marathi course and English course are on the way, right? And more. So one language at a time. We'll try to include all under the banner of Langistan. And this all would not have been possible without your support, without your love. So I'm really, really grateful and thankful. Thank you very much for all the support and love that you have been giving. Please enjoy Christmas with your family, friends, relatives. It's a family time. Enjoy, and please use Hindi as well as Nepali phrases, whichever the language you're trying to learn. So happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, celebrate with family, and in Hindi and Nepali too. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaskar.